Hello student, this is Supriya, your biology teacher. In the video session, once again I am with you. Topic is muscular tissue. Today's video based upon some question answer. Question answer is based upon Egerton region. What is the meaning of Egerton region? In this question, content or we have two different statements. These statements either dependent to each other or explain to each other, or a adjacent and reason both are different from each other, or maybe one is right or another one is not the correct explanation. So student, let's start about the adjacent region questions. Question number 1. Before I start the question, student, you don't give the stress on the question number. Here write the question number 6, but you assume the question number 1. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Adjacent. Muscle fiber are said to be contractile in nature. And reason, cell of muscle tissues can shorten forcefully and again return to relaxed state. Student, you very well know every muscle's fiber related with the contraction. So adjacent is true. Reason, the cells of muscle tissue can shorten forcefully and again return to the relaxed state. You very well know about the if contraction is occur and relaxation is simultaneously, these both process are work simultaneously. So reason is also correct. In this condition, our right answer is both the assertion and reason are true, and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, our next question is assertion. Muscle cells are also called myofibrils. Reason, muscle cells are very thin and elongated. Student, you know very well what is myofibril. So you can say muscle cells are also called myofibrils. It is the wrong statement. But reason, muscle cells are very thin and elongated, it is true. So our right answer is assertion is false, but reason is true. Okay, next question. Thigh muscle can get tired, but not the muscles of ventricle of heart. Reason, muscle of thigh are voluntary, whereas that of the heart are involuntary muscles. Very well know about this word thigh muscle, where voluntary muscle is present, and in heart, you know, the cardiac muscle is present, and cardiac muscles is the involuntary in nature. So both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not correct, because you very well know about the In heart, special type of involuntary muscle is present, naming is cardiac muscle. So, its reason is the not correct explanation of the Ederson. Okay. Next question is smooth muscle fibers do not appear to be striated. Reason: this is due to regular alternate arrangement of thick and thin filament, smooth muscle fiber. Very well known as smooth muscle is also known as unstriated muscle. So, Ederson is true, but reason: this is due to regular alternate arrangement of thick and thin filament in smooth muscle fiber. It is the false, because you very well know about the smooth muscles have not the proper arrangement of thick and thin filament of muscle fiber. So correct answer is, if the assertion is true but the reason is false. Next question is non-striated muscle are said to be voluntary in nature. Non-striated muscle can be moved according to will. Non-striated means involuntary muscles or smooth muscles. So first, here the assertion word is used voluntary and reason is word used to according to will. So the correct option is D. Both the assertion and reason are false. Now our next question is intercalated discs are important reason of cardiac muscle cell. Intercalated discs function as booster of muscle contraction both. Student, intercalated word is related with the cardiac muscle. It is the connecting between the two cells. So it is the assertion is the right. And reason: intercalated disc is function as booster of muscle contraction wave. It is the very right explanation. So right answer is A. Both the assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. That's all, student. Thank you.